God's timing isn't always our timing. He may not work things out the way we planned, but He is working things out for the better. This COVID-19 pandemic has really changed everything around the world, from our basic routinary way of living to celebration of big events has suddenly shifted to a new normal. Good day, barring elementary school students, parents, teachers, administrators, and everyone else out there who are witnessing this virtual kindergarten moving up ceremony. Another challenging year has passed, the year of learning, of giving and taking, of loving and living, of dreaming and realizing, of doing and succeeding, of fighting and winning. Today, we celebrate our pupils' academic victory that even COVID-19 can stop us from celebrating it. Ladies and gentlemen, Barring Elementary School proudly presents its first ever virtual kindergarten moving up ceremony in this academic year 2020-2021 with the theme Strengthening the Quality of Education Amid the COVID-19 Pandemic. Let us all pause and stand for the Philippine National Anthem, followed by the opening prayer to be led by Christine Hart Danyo and the Lapu-Lapu March.
Batang mag-iigaw, eras ng silaban, alam ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay, lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng mag-iigaw, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisiin, sa lagat at tulog, sisimulan, sa langit kong bukaw, magilan ang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang islat ng watawat dito gabi ay nanatilinig ang bituin ng araw niya kaya nakaway di mapigil lupa ng araw ng buwan at ipagsinta tuloy langit sa piling mo ang ibigaya dapat may maaakit ang mamatay ng dating sa'yo.
Labong amahan, dengan salamat sa grasya, imong gatag ka naman. Salamat sa kaalang, kasing-kasing sa pigungma. Salamat sa syudidad, among padayon sa muntun. Isang tao, sinali sa pandemya. Kasulo ako sa mga sala, amo buhat, amo pagtuon. Tagi kami kadasig, grasya sa kaalam. Saban ka sa kanitid, kinitanan ng po, bala ng ngalan, amen.
Bayan sa sidlakan, lapu-lapu ang ngalan. Iyang pumupuyo, tanan mapugihon, kanunay malipayo. Bayaning Pilipino, lapu-lapu ang ngalan. Mga kauban maisog, yastan sa kaaway, hakot sa kadaugan. Lapu-lapu, manyang gihalan sa panggubagan dito sa mapaghalan lumul sa hangtod sa kanunay pagbating sa gugmang diunay isingit kong mabuhi yung tauhan kong mahal. Lapu-lapu, lapu-lapu, manyang gihalan sa panggubagan dito sa mapaghalan lumul sa hangtod sa kanunay pagbating sa gugmang diunay isingit kong mabuhi yung tauhan kong mahal. Isingit kong mabuhi yung tauhan kong mahal.
To welcome us in this celebration of success is a pupil from Kinder Butalid. Here is Carla Andrea A. Mingito.
Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Wilfreda D. Bungalos, Assistant School Superintendent Dr. Cartesa Empirico, Public School Supervisor Assistant Mrs. Vivian Estinillo, Elementary School Head Teacher Mrs. Flora E. Carbo, Aring Barangay Captain, Honorable Romalo P. Wagwag, iyang mga konsihales, President S.L.A. Riponte, ginikanan, mga magtutudlo, sa mga nagtanaw online, maayong adlaw ka naton tanan. Doon natang itabo sa atong kinabuhi, dili nato kontrolado. Ang importante na malikon ug malampuson. Pagkat umamo karon tuiga, lahi sa among naandam. Ug sa pandemya, wala na kami nagkalto sa eskwelahan. Sa paghinama sa among mga classmates, ang mga magtutudlo, ang pandili gini babag ng kalampusan. Alipayon gyapon kami, nagkatuon sa balay, mama uban si papa, ang naapirmi sa among piliran. Hanggang sa paghiyak ka mo, among mga buhaton, ikaw sa tanan mga sa papagkaan. Walay puno ang pagpangga ka na mo. Nasisinati ang among kalisod. Karbuhon ka mong i-welcome, katulo up ceremony.
To do the honors of presenting the candidates for completion, here is our ever-dynamic school head, Mrs. Flora E. Carbo, and this will be confirmed by our school's division superintendent, Dr. Wilfreda D. Bungalos.
Our school's division superintendent, Dr. Wilfreda D. Bungalos, Public Schools District Supervisor in District 10, Mrs. Vivian S. Taneo. In my capacity as the school manager of Baring Elementary School, it is my honor and privilege to present to you these 102 candidates of kindergarten completers moving up to grade 1 in Baring Elementary School, school year 2020-2021. 46 of them are boys and 56 are girls. They have satisfactorily completed kindergarten as prescribed by the Department of Education under K-12 curriculum. Dr. Wilfreda D. Bungalos, they are now awaiting for the confirmation.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me as the school's division superintendent, and with the presentation and certification of the school principal that these pupils have satisfactorily completed the kindergarten education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education, I now confirm you kindergarten completers for school year 2020-2021. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Carbo and Dr. Bungalos. And now, let us listen to the greetings from our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Jonard Ahong Chan.
My warmest greetings and congratulations to the graduates and completers of the school year 2020 to 2021. This year's graduation ceremonies mark the second time that we and the rest of the world celebrate our students' success amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. I know that our graduates and completers would not want their graduation and moving up ceremonies to be in this type of setting, but this pandemic has shown us that success can still be obtained in these seemingly difficult circumstances. This year's theme, kalidad ng edukasyon, lalong patatagin sa gitna ng pandemya, is a timely and relevant portrayal of DepEd's assaulting innovation to maintain the quality education and uphold the integrity of knowledge as we survive throughout this global pandemic. To our graduates and completers, always aim to become the best version of yourselves. Never forget to always put love, determination, and the persistence in everything that you do. Always remember that you are not just mere citizen of this country. You are the building block of the nation building, the key to a better posterity. And of course, never forget to say your prayers and ask for His guidance. For in times when everything seems vague, a simple prayer will remind you of your purpose. To the parents, teachers, mentors, and fellow public servants, let us do our best to provide our youth a safe and conducive learning environment. Let us be a good examples for our children to emulate and live the kind of life that can inspire and motivate the young ones. Thank you for all your efforts and the extra mile you take in pushing our students to reach this milestone. Lapu-Lapu City Government under the Chan administration will always put education among our top priority. As a father of this city, I will ensure that no one will be left behind as we march towards progress. We will continue to upgrade and innovate our city quality of education so that we can provide only the best for our students. To the class 2021, congratulations for climbing one step higher on the ladder of success. Always chase your dream and never be afraid of change. For every change is a chance to become the best. Padayon sa paglambo kabataang upunganon.
Lapu-Lapu bayani sa tanan. Pagkasundot na mo, imo pangamit, kung sa rasuri mong lipi. Lapu-Lapu bahandi ning duhan.
Thank you so much, Mayor. Up next is another greetings from our beloved Congresswoman, Honorable Paz Coro Radaza.
Come everyone, come join the fun.
Dr. Wilfreda Bungalos, our school's division superintendent and David family, our school's principals, dear teachers, colleagues in the government, our dear graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, mayong adlaw sa tanan. Diamonds are formed under intense heat and pressure. Ang diamante dili maporma kung dili moagi sa grabing kainit o pressure. Kabalo ko nga kabalusan mo niini, but please allow me to remind you of this for purposes of emphasis. Studying is not a piece of cake. Dili lalim ang pag-eskwela. You were required with so many tasks. Magtuon, magbuhat og projects ug assignments, exams, ug daghan pang uban. Grabe mo hatag og assignments si ma'am ug si sir, di ba? Usahay dili pag yun mo sugot nga extend ang deadline. Napailain nga mga problema sa kinabuhi. Paitag yun doy. But that is part of learning. Your teachers were doing all those for you. Your growth and development is their paramount concern. After all the hardships and efforts, look at you now. You successfully finished studies already. Pero sama sa diamante, dili mo maingon ani kung wala mo niagi sa kalisod o pagpaningkam. You are our diamonds. Kamo ang among bahandi. Kamo ang atong paglaom sa kaugmaon. But you are not just any diamond. You are the special ones. Wala lang muagi ni ana sa usual nga kalisod sa pag-eskwela. Kay nag-apil-apil pa yun si COVID. As if life is not already challenging enough, we are confronted with this pandemic. The burden this crisis brings multiplies the challenges of our daily life. Tungod niini, samot nga dili ilalim ang pag-eskwela. We have to admit our studies became harder. The ways that we are used to in doing things were solidly changed. But despite all this, you are still here graduating. Ngayig yun kaayo mo. You are the living testament of our resilience and innovativeness. Daghan kaayo, tag nakatunan, nga lain-laing pamaagi. Ilaw sa kalisod sa pandemic. We made adjustments and adapted the online classes and module system. You exemplified our belief that there is no reason for stopping our learning. Walay saktong rason para undangon ang atong pagkaton bisan sa panahon sa pandemya. But we cannot surrender because we cannot surrender our dreams. We cannot afford to postpone education as a nation. Padayon yuta, you are also the living proof of our helpfulness and determination not to be defeated by this pandemic. This pandemic, more than the problems it brings, should instead bring the best in us. Walay laing higayon nga nga ipakita nato ang atong pagkamaayo ug pagmatimarabangon kundili karon sa panahon sa kalisod. As your congresswoman, kanunay nga ani ako para moalalay kaninyo. Atong ipadayon ang pagkamot sa inyong mga damgo. Atong ipadayon ang atong kalampuan. My dear graduates, congratulations. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment for our completers has come. At this point, to award the certificates to the completers, please welcome the kindergarten advisors, Mr. Anthony B. Botalid and Mrs. Charito W. Paquibo.
Good morning to our online viewers. Here are the list of kindergarten Botalid completers. Amit Kenji J., son of Mr. and Mrs. Rinji Amit. Amorin Jitjit M., son of Mr. and Mrs. Brian Amorin. Amorin Stephen James R., son of Mr. and Mrs. Jose Ellery Amorin Jr. Apa Jade Francisco S., son of Mr. and Mrs. Fruto Apa. Aparisi Zian Tyler D., son of Mr. and Mrs. Jeffrel Aparisi. Arisma Martcliffe Terence D., son of Mr. and Mrs. Martinito Arisma. Babatid Zeus V., son of Miss Angeli Babatid. Bandico Kent Walter, son of Miss Radi Bandico. Botalid Mark Terence A., son of Mr. and Mrs. Charlo Botalid. Danyo Jethro D., son of Mr. and Mrs. Jessie Danyo. Danyo Rocky James A., son of Mr. and Mrs. Rocky Danyo. Lambuhon Joric A., son of Mr. and Mrs. Richard Lambuhon. Franco John Verhel, son of Miss Lovely Lofranco. J.W., son of Mr. and Mrs. J.P. Logronio. Mencidi Chris Zunji I, son of Mr. and Mrs. Jason Mencidi. Patigdas John Lennon, son of Miss Angelina Patigdas. Quijano J. V, son of Mr. and Mrs. Roger Quijano. Silab King Robert B, son of Mr. and Mrs. Hulbert Silab. Shona Nathaniel N, son of Miss Irene Nanoy. Sulit Isaiah V, son of Mr. and Mrs. Edgar Sulit. Sumalinog Aaron J. M, son of Mr. and Mrs. Rinaldo Sumalinog. Torion Nash Andre A, son of Mr. and Mrs. Jonas Torion. Wagwag Prince David P, son of Mr. and Mrs. Richard Wagwag. Ibanez James Ryan H, son of Mr. and Mrs. Laurencio Ibanez Jr. Amit Angela D, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Milben Amit. Amit Sabrina Hershey O, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jason Amit. Amorin Eunice Claire, daughter of Miss Marilyn Amorin. Berizo July Wayne Marie, daughter of Miss Mera Berizo. Cabanes Crystal Kate G, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Christian Ali Cabanes. Castroverde May Keshler D, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Archie Tidor. Danio Christine Hart C, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Charlie Danio. Danio Eunice Lauren, daughter of Miss Hermosa Danio. Danio Princess Julia May T, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dioscoro Danio. Danio Riza May P, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ricky Danio. Garay Erich D, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ernesto Garay. Igang Celestininia B, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Tiburcio Barong Sr. Mingito Carla Andrea A, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kier Mingito. Nasoli Fiona May M, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Felix Nasoli Jr. Nasoli Jainina Anaika T, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ronel Nasoli. Nasoli Divine Grace T, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Pipito Nasoli. Ocleda Mary Christ C, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Brian Ocleda. Oliveros Divine Grace A, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jeremy Oliveros. Umpad Donna R, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Domingo Umpad. Umpad Samantha A, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ronel Umpad. Pangatungan Princess Nice P, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Glyn Pangatungan. Pakibot Empress K P, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Walter Pakibot. Pakibot Kaishi Kate, daughter of Miss Regina Pakibot. Pipito Ira G, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joselito Pepito. Rana Amelia Roth B, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Samuel Rana. Wagwag Natalia Shane P, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Richard Wagwag. Wagwag Scarlett Hope C, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ponciano Wagwag. To all my kindergarten completers, congratulations!
Good morning, all the viewers. Here are the list of kindergarten pakibot. Alvaro Paulo Benedicto III L, son of Mr. and Mrs. Noriel Alvaro. Amit Warin P, son of Mr. and Mrs. Walter Amit. Amorin Mateo Mar M, son of Mr. and Mrs. Marvin Amorin. Balasabas Jandarel A, son of Mr. and Mrs. Laurencio Balasabas. Danyu Daniel O., son of Mr. and Mrs. Charnel Danyu. Danyu John Dominic C., son of Mr. and Mrs. Doming Danyu. Danyu Nino Maximo A., son of Mr. and Mrs. Maximo Danyu. Galvez Kit Brian A., son of Mr. and Mrs. Stanley Galvez. Gokor Ligel D., son of Mr. and Mrs. Frisco Gokor. Jacuzalem Saniboy A., son of Mr. and Mrs. Leonard Jacuzalem. Lofranco John D. V., son of Mr. and Mrs. Regime Lofranco. Lugar Melchizedek Rio S., son of Mr. and Mrs. Rio Lugar. Mahumok Emmanuel T., son of Mr. and Mrs. Daniel Mahumok. Umpad Rex A., son of Mr. and Mrs. Rimar Umpad. Otara Prince Steve L., son of Mr. and Mrs. Sandro Otara. Uyaw Ninyo Michael S., son of Mr. and Mrs. Christian Uyaw. Pakibot Junis John A., son of Mr. and Mrs. Nemisio Pakibot. Putot Angelo D., son of Mr. and Mrs. Elvin Angelo. Solon Calix Bentley M., son of Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Solon. Torita Benchcairo A., son of Mr. and Mrs. Albert Torita. Torimucha Rafael A., son of Mr. and Mrs. Edelberto Torimucha. Wagwag Marlo M., son of Miss Marie Chris Wagwag. Añasco Chelsea Diane T., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Catalina Añasco. Arong Atina Ea W., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Alexis Arong. Arong Ninya Antoinette M., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joseboyet Arong. Aying Kechi M., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Saturnino Aying. Basnilio Johanna Mary A., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin Basnilio. Cabreros Kindra W., daughter of Miss Dorina Wagwag. Kumayas Soyong W., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Sherwin Kumayas. Daita Junilin D., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Juni Daita. Hilig Alexandra Marie D., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Cecilio Hilig. Hilig Daniper S., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Carper Hilig. Hilig Kate Ayomi E., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Agmeros Hilig. Humauas Sophia Isabel D., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ronnie Humauas. Lidama Sophie C., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Windel Lidama. Nanoy Dorin P., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Jaime Nanoy. Nasoli Ninya S., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Arnel Nasoli. Pasilan Larinel L., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rino Pasilan. Pakibot Rika Y., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Ronald Pakibot. Patigdas Kayla G. Day, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Alberto Patigdas. Reyes Denise Ruin D., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rolly Alejandro Reyes. Riponte Laicami O., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rolando Riponte. Saavedra Kimlin S., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kimbrian Saavedra. Soliano Gian A., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Samuel Soliano. Suscano Britney L. A., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Elmer Suscano. Susuban Mabel Q., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Margarito Susuban. Tagsip Yuna A., daughter of Miss Maria Charlene Tagsep. Tolintin Mary Yulaisa P., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Rolly Tolinten. Torion Ela Archie B., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Roche Torion. Torion Titina W., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Joel Torion. Wagwag Nicole P., daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Nicomedes Wagwag. To all the parents and to my pupils, congratulations and keep moving. Congratulations once more to our completers. Let's give them a virtual applause. To give the inspirational message is our school's division superintendent, no other than Dr. Wilfreda D. Bungalos.
A pleasant day to all of you. They say that the reward is sweeter for the things that we achieve through hard work and determination, that we give more meaning to the achievements that we earned through perseverance, that we value our accomplishments more, knowing that we went through struggles and challenges just to reach where we want to be. I believe that this holds true to what you are all feeling right now. Today, I want to express my sincerest congratulations to all of you, my dear graduates, for this hard-earned achievement. You have accomplished this milestone amidst all the trials and challenges. Looking back, we had a very tough school year in the Department of Education. We had our fair share of challenges as we adopted the new normal setup brought by the COVID-19. We had our struggles and concerns in implementing the new learning modalities. But we never surrendered. We continue to work hard in order to live up with our mandate of providing quality education to our children here in Lapu-Lapu City. If there is one thing that I can brag about during these times, is that despite this, our private schools and public schools were able to fully deliver, at the best of their ability, excellent quality education to all its learners. For that, I commend the school administrators and all the teachers for a job well done. Thank you for all your efforts and initiatives. This distance learning would never be as successful as it is today without the cooperation, support, and determination of our students. You, our graduates, made this new normal setting easier for our schools and the entire DepEd family. I know that at the beginning, you had some difficulty adjusting to the distance learning modality. You experienced hardships in coping with your online and modular classes, while at the same time looking after your well-being during this pandemic. But I salute all of you graduates. Despite what you all went through, you continue to strive. You remain steadfast in your dreams, which led you to this day. You are now reaping the rewards of your hard work and sacrifices. I commend all of you graduates for a great job. If we must take a lesson or two on what is happening around us, that would be, this pandemic taught us the value of pursuing our dreams, no matter the obstacles that come our way. This time of COVID-19 taught us that despite the challenges, we must continue to reach for our aspirations in life. What you all went through proved to me that the pandemic is never a hindrance for you to continue with your studies and to earn that anticipated diplomas. Indeed, you all deserve a tap on your back for not giving up. Continue to believe in your dreams. Continue to pursue excellence. Always know that wherever your dreams take you, your alma mater and most especially your parents will be behind you to support you. Once again, congratulations and hats off to all of you graduates.
Now, let us hear another inspirational message from original director, Dr. Salustiano T. Jimenez.
Greetings of love and peace to each and everyone. School year 2020-2021 has been the most challenging year in education. All been struggling to survive in all aspects. But our beloved Secretary Leonor Magtulis Briones lead the baton that education must continue amidst whatever crisis we will be facing. And so, here we are, celebrating one of the most precious accomplishment that you have, your graduation and moving up ceremonies. It is one fleeting sense of pride and joy to be able to celebrate with all of you for your victory, bravery, resilience, perseverance, and commitment that push you to experience what we have today. So our beloved, most precious gems, our dear learners, just wanted to let you know that you are doing great. It is not easy to be learners with all the pressures in today's world. The more in these trying times due to pandemic. How you hurdle your lessons remotely through distance learning of varied modalities, the fear and scare of the virus due to negative publicity, and many more. But you survive and victorious. So, don't lose your heart if you find things difficult. Today, the world is so tested. It is a high time that you put all your learnings into action. Never be a bystander watching as the world takes a paradigm shift. Take the wheel. Collectively, the youth are stronger than any pandemic known to men. Remember, everyone is a student of life as we all keep learning something or the other throughout our lives. So, keep the faith and believe in yourselves. Work hard and work smart too. And with the right focus and determination, you will see that goals are not impossible to achieve. Just have a clear plan, and whatever detours come your way, don't be afraid. Face them with conviction that those are part of the pitfalls where we cannot evade. So be strong and let your education and learnings with God be your shield. And don't forget to thank the most honest persons in your life. Those who can say and tell you exactly what you are doing, either good or bad. those who guide you sincerely to the path where you want to walk on, who always with you in times of your successes and downfalls. They are your parents, teachers, relatives, and best friend. So learners, congratulations, you hit the mark on your timeline. To all the parents and guardians out there, your contribution towards the realization of the once dreams of your children is so great. Sustain it, and you will see and harvest the fruits of it sooner than later. So thank you for partnering with DepEd through your children's education. So to all of you, congratulations. To the school, I know how you struggle also, especially that the world was shocked of what happened and nobody was prepared. There were so many hows and whys, but you are able to navigate it until reaching its destination. So whatever is the experience and hardships, what is more important is the outcome of what you have done. That's why my salute to you. To our teachers, school heads, supervisors, and non-teaching personnel, you did a great job, worthy of emulation. I am proud of you. To the SDOs, I am so happy of what your division accomplished for school year 2020-2021. Your efforts doesn't go to vain. Now it comes into fruition. So to all, kudos. To everyone, always have the smile in you. See miracles in life every day, and you will be filled with positivity in thoughts and actions. Congratulations once again. Keep safe and God bless everyone.
And now, let us hear a heartwarming message from our DepEd Secretary, Leonor M. Briones.
Good day to each and everyone who is attending virtually present at this time of our graduation ceremonies for our beloved and very precious graduates for the school year which ends at this time. First of all, I'd like to greet the parents and family members without whose sacrifices, whose reminders, and whose participation in the learning process for our graduates have resulted in this culmination program. This year, your role has changed drastically, where we've always believed that the matter of educating our children rests nearly exclusively on our teachers and our staff. This time, you parents, you family members, you who are in the households of our learners have expanded your role and contributed to this wonderful day, wherein finally, our learners are graduating in this culmination exercise. So congratulations, because this year has not been very easy, has not been a picnic for our teachers, for our family members, as well, especially the parents, mothers, fathers, sisters, brothers, and all who have contributed to the achievement of our learners at this time. So, maraming salamat at congratulations, parents and family members. Mas malaki ang role ninyo at this time compared to earlier graduation exercises. Secondly, I would also like to greet our teachers, without whose very careful review and careful supervision of the work of our pupils and our learners, this event would not be taking place at all. And so thank you, teachers. Your role has also expanded. In addition to seeing to it that the modules are faithfully followed, the assignments are correctly implemented, and the learners are truly learning, and you have had to deal with new ways of assessing the performance also of the learners. So congratulations, teachers, for enduring, for your patience, for your love for our learners, and your willingness to engage in a way and methods of teaching which are different from those which are used to. Assessment must have been especially difficult for you, especially since you were not able to see most of the time our students in face-to-face meetings, and most of the meetings, of course, were virtual. We'd also like to thank the local government units for their interest, for their cooperation, and for their continuing contributions to the needs of education, even as our children do not go to school. Your donations of material as well as financial resources at this time are most welcome, and your advice has been taken seriously not only by our teachers, by our school officials, but also by our officials in the Department of Education. We continually talk with local government units, especially in times of disaster, in times of great need for classrooms, for space, and for responses to unforeseen emergencies. Thank you, local government units. But of course, most of the congratulatory greetings fall on the deserving graduate. Each and every one of you is truly special. You are different from the other graduates who have passed through the portals of your school. You went to school practically without seeing your teachers, if at all. You went to school with your parents, your mothers and your fathers hovering over your shoulders and seeing to it that you are able to complete your assignments. You are completing your studies at a time when examinations and assessments are different. You are culminating these long months of hard work at this time, even as you have to do family chores, even as you are distracted, and even as your world has turned upside down, and it seems and it appears as if we don't know what the future holds and what will happen next. But you have persevered, and now you are ready to graduate. And therefore, you deserve each and every bit of congratulations from us in the Department of Education from your parents and family members, your teachers, from the officials in local government, as well as in the parent teachers associations. You deserve each and every single congratulatory pat on your back, each hug virtually, of course, and each greeting, which I am sure you are also receiving virtually. I don't know if you will remember this event many, many years from now. I have tried to recall myself who our graduation speaker was when I finished high school and when I finished my college studies. All I remember is that the graduation speaker was someone important, someone who was invited because that someone is supposed to give a message. What was more important to us graduates at that time was the excitement of the celebrations, the happiness and the joy of our parents, the sadness of parting from our classmates and from our teachers, and the enjoyment of all the graduation events that usually take place come commencement day. When I was a college student, we had a series of events which were designed to embed in our minds, which were designed to help us remember and not forget our days in college. We would spend one whole day going around the campus, visiting the classrooms, saying goodbye to our teachers, and sharing memories. We would have bonfires to say goodbye to each other. We had baccalaureate services where we committed ourselves to God and we prayed for guidance when we go out into the world. So many celebrations, and the speaker, of course, is the least important and easily forgotten component of the graduation exercise. Nonetheless, I will exert all efforts to share with you what I see are things or issues which a graduate should remember and recall. I have said that you are very special. You are very different. You are pioneering. There has been no other class like your class. There has been no other graduate like you as a graduating student, because you are the very first graduate of the blended learning response to education in the Philippines. And so you ask yourself, what awaits you in the world outside? You can either work, because the kind of curriculum you survived and underwent as a student will enable you to go to work if you wish to go to work. Some of you will proceed to further studies, and this would be a wonderful thing because there are many opportunities for further expanding your knowledge, for further answering and looking for explanations of issues, events that make you curious, especially in science, in technology, and also in the arts. So you can work, you can go to further studies, and perhaps some of you will settle down, hopefully not too soon, so you can pursue what you really want to do. So today, This is why we call this exercise a commencement exercise. It's not the end of our studies. It's not the end of all our efforts with blended learning, with modules, with floods, with earthquakes, and of course with COVID. It's a commencement of doors opening to you. More doors will be opened because you are a graduate. You can work, you can proceed for further studies, you can help your parents, and you can perhaps look for opportunities to do what you have always wanted to do, whether at work, whether at advanced studies, whether at learning more in science and technology, in mathematics, and in the arts. All of these opportunities are available to you. More doors are being opened. I hope you will select the door which arouses your curiosity, the door which will help you know more about this world, and the door which will allow you to contribute to the development of our country and contribute whatever we can to solve our problems and our challenges. Congratulations once more to each and every one of you. Congratulations to you, parents and family members. Congratulations to you, teachers. When I was chair of the board of Silliman University, each time we had graduation ceremonies, during the baccalaureate and during commencement itself, I would cry. I would cry because you are sending out into the world a new batch of graduates, and we want to be sure that what is awaiting them is appropriate. We want to be sure that they are ready for what awaits them when they select which door to open. And so, we tell you, go out to the world, do whatever you want to do. God be with you, and be assured that all of us love each and every one of you. Congratulations.
And to give us the words of thanks, here is a completer from Kinder Pakibot, Melchizedek Reo S. Lugar.
Tinada mo mabisita, School Division Superintendent Dr. Wilfrida D. Bongalos, Ma'am, Chief Education Supervisor Dr. Oliver M. Tubaran, Sir, District Supervisor Ibn Estanillo, Barangay Official, Pinolan sa mong Barangay Captain Honorable Romulo Iwagwag, uban sila makonsehalis Baring Elementary School, Teaching Procedure by Flora Icarbo, Ma'am, mga ginikanan, classmate, kay galaan, sa lagong kabantagon, kanatong tanan mebot, ang adlang maamo kay naman, na mapag-ani sa mambro, nga namo pagkain kamo, isip patinan sa kindergarten, o karon mandar na kami matubang sa bagong hagi sa mga eskwela, nga mapagtikang sa laing grado mo grade 1. Ito sa panagyan nga, there's a elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Itong kaming tanan, ako ba sa classmate, among idong tanating kasi salamat. Nga sa mga ginikanan, tungod silang sakripisyo o gulay po as suporta dari ka namo sa mo magtutudlo saan pa man sa dako nga agit sa karon sa problema, tuban, nga mga pandemya, yung kangat gapin siya nga makatabang, lagi sa pagprint o mga modules, para lang dili nga munong amo pagkataon, labas sa tanan, ang ginuburan sa tanan. Tungod kay kami mituo, kung wala ka mo, dili kami kangkon, ay ka bagong kalimpos. Karon, sa makausapa, dagan kayo salamat. Congratulations. Kanatong tanan.
Friends, moving up celebrations are never complete without the anthem that may speak every completer's journey. So let's hear their completion song, I'm Ready to Go.
The future's looking good to me. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Yeah, the future's looking good to me. I am ready as I can be. Yeah, yeah, the future's looking good to me. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Yeah, the future's looking good to me. I am ready as I can be. I can be. I'm ready to go. My time has come. I'm on my way. I'm really ready. This is the day. I've worked so hard to make it so. Now I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I did my best. I made it through. So now I'm watching my dream come true. I'll bring along all I have learned. Now I'm ready. I'm ready to go. The future's looking good to me. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Yeah, the future's looking good to me. I am ready as I can be. Yeah, yeah, the future's looking good to me. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. Yeah, the future's looking good to me. I am ready as I can be. I can be. I'm ready to go.
Congratulations, completers, and to your proud parents. Go forth, grow, and be successful. A philosopher once said, success is not a failure. Failure is not fatal, but it is the courage to continue that counts. Once again, congratulations.